Assalamualaikum to all people. Today I would like to present about green building in Santiago, which is Transoceanica building. We move to the next slide. So my name is Aina Najiha binti Muhammad Zaki and my student ID is 2022677292 and I'm from Part 4 student. This presentation is under ECM367 subtract and it is individual assignment. Some introduction. The building designed as headquarters for Transoceanica companies. Response, it is designed to the implementation of a system of energy efficiently designed to reduce demand, improve the quality of workspace, and adopt a respectful stand towards the environment, commission, and design. The design elements such as location, orientation, solar system, use of natural light, renewable material, plant species, insulation, thus reducing energy demand before developing the design of technical system. This is highly effective and does not involve additional costs for the project. In addition to strengthening low power consumption, it enhances the comfort of the users. As renewable energy, geothermal energy was incorporated through the extraction of water from a well 75 meters deep with a constant temperature of 12 degrees Celsius, which is used to cool air and capillaries through heat exchanger. During the process, which ideally should have been from the beginning, it was considered to develop the project with the lead rating system, finding good agreement between what was already done are the initiative promoted by the rating system. It was aimed for the gold category to display a known reference of good energy and environmental practice. Transoceanica building is characterized by the use of Quebra Vistas wood screen 85 by Hunter Douglas on its facades. A system based on aluminium support structure and wooden horizontal element ensure decay protection from the sun and generate a facade with great expression, interest, and material quality. The capillary system consists of a very thin tube of 3.2 mm outside diameter in polypropylene, which is installed under the slab and are hidden in the finishing plaster. There are 4 elements of green construction or green building that apply to the project. The first one is solar system. When it comes to use, maintenance, and repair, solar electricity is safer than traditional power source. It will receive respite from the enormous cost of the electricity bill because all energy needs are met by the electricity produced from the solar energy. Since the sun shines everywhere, solar electricity is available energy source everywhere. Solar electric systems are a cost-effective option for remote places since they can be independent of the utility grid when combined with batteries for energy storage. With no moving part and a lengthy service life more than 25 years of guaranteed electricity, solar modules are very dependable and have low maintenance expenses. Since solar electricity uses the sun as its fuel source, drilling for, refining, and transporting petroleum-based fuel to the location is not necessary. As you can see, solar energy has a lot of benefits. The second one is a natural light. A room filled with a daylight can go from having a boring feel to being psychologically invigorating. Anywhere possible, daylighting is included into building by architects because of its capacity to illuminate energize the space. It's not as easy as it seems to bring daylight inside the building, though it does not include covering a large portion of the building facade in clear glass. Architects and buildings owners run the danger of failing the structure residents if they don't grasp how the daylight works. An architect ought to possess the window to determine the ideal quantity, intensity, distribution, and penetration of sunshine and be able to integrate it into the structure. Realizing the potential energy saving from daylight and thus supporting the comfort, health, and productivity of building occupants require proper daylight design strategies and integrations. So the third one is geothermal energy. Many benefits of most other renewable energy sources are also presented in geothermal energy. For example, it emits less carbon dioxide, particulate matters, and other harmful elements that contribute to climate change than conventional thermoelectric stations driven by fossil fuel like coal. By harnessing this substance energy, we can lessen our reliance on fossil fuel and move towards energy independence. After the plant is installed, geothermal energy is almost free and supports sustained development. Furthermore, there is no denying that recently history has shown us that renewable plant has becoming more and more efficient with each passing years. It always available, doesn't require large space, silent energy, provide more energy for the small nominal power. And the last one is insulation. Numerous benefits are provided by thermal insulation, which is essential in both residence and business settings. The main advantage is its capacity to drastically lower energy usage. Insulation ensures that heat transfer is efficiently managed. That is, a building may be heated or cooled with less energy, which results in significant electricity bill saving. And further significant benefit is the improvement in comfort. Regardless of the outside weather, insulation keeps the interior temperature constant, enabling comfortable living and working environment. In addition to decreased stress on heating and cooling system, this stability also lengthens their lifespan and lowers maintenance expenses. Thermal insulation helps the environment by lowering greenhouse gas emissions. Insulated buildings have a lower carbon footprint due to their reduced energy use for heating and cooling, which help with environment sustainability initiative. We move to the next part, which is purpose recommendation. So the first one is water conservation. To lessen the impact on nearby water supplies, incorporate water-saving features like drought-tolerant landscaping, rainwater harvesting system, and low-flow fixture to reduce water consumption. So the second one is material selection. Select building materials that are low in embodied energy, have a high percentage of recycled content, and are not overly hazardous. To lower transportation-related emissions and boost the local economy, think about utilizing products that are sourced locally. And the third one is continuous improvement. Encourage a continuous improvement culture by keeping an eye on performance indicators, getting input from stakeholders, and applying lesson gained to next initiative. Think guarantees that green buildings techniques develop and continue to be successful in the long run. So the last point is incentive regulation. Provide incentive for green building projects such as subsidies, tax credit, or accelerate permitting. Furthermore, think about enacting laws or building codes that require specific standards of sustainability for both new construction and renovation. In conclusion, using green building and construction technique is necessary to create sustainable built environment that benefit both the current and the future generations. We can reduce our impact on the environment, increase resilience, and develop healthier, more livable communities by setting goals, providing incentive and education, prioritizing energy and resource efficiently, and fostering a continuous improvement mindset. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you to the sir. Thank you.